The BENPAL Smart Karaoke Machine, with 17.3-inch touchscreen, is designed to bring a complete karaoke experience right into your home. Combining a large HD display, powerful speaker system, wireless microphones, and access to a massive song library, this all-in-one entertainment system aims to deliver the feel of a professional KTV setup without the complexity of traditional karaoke equipment. One of the most impressive features is the 17.3-inch Full HD touchscreen display. With a sharp 1920 by 1080 resolution and dynamic lyric display, singers can easily follow along with songs without needing a separate TV or tablet. The large screen creates a more immersive experience, making it ideal for family gatherings, birthday parties, and weekend karaoke nights. Compared to many portable karaoke machines that rely on small screens or external devices, the BENPAL offers a much more convenient and enjoyable setup. Audio performance is another area where this karaoke machine stands out. It features a 12-inch woofer paired with dual 3-inch tweeters, producing powerful bass and clear highs. The system is rated for up to 1,200 watts of output power, delivering room-filling sound that can easily handle both indoor and outdoor events. Thanks to its acoustic optimization technology, users can enjoy rich 360-degree sound with impressive depth and clarity. Whether you're singing pop hits, rock classics, or ballads, the audio remains balanced and energetic. The included wireless microphones further enhance the experience. Equipped with intelligent noise reduction technology and adjustable reverb effects, they help vocals sound cleaner and more professional. The microphones are responsive, comfortable to hold, and suitable for both adults and children. Users can adjust the sound effects to match their singing style, adding an extra level of fun and customization. One of the biggest advantages of this system is its extensive entertainment options. The built-in karaoke platform provides access to more than 100,000 songs across multiple languages, including English, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. Features such as voice search, singer categories, and customizable playlists make finding favorite songs quick and easy. This broad music selection ensures that users of all ages can find something they enjoy. Portability is also a key strength. Despite its large display and powerful speaker system, the machine features a lightweight design with a convenient carrying handle. Setup is simple and requires minimal effort. Just power it on and start singing. Multiple connectivity options, including USB and HDMI, allow easy connection to smartphones, tablets, televisions, and other devices. This flexibility makes it suitable for living rooms, backyards, camping trips, and social gatherings. Customer feedback has been largely positive, particularly regarding ease of use and portability. Many users appreciate how simple the controls are, making the machine accessible even for children. Reviewers also praise the clear sound quality, reliable Bluetooth connectivity, and durable construction. Families especially enjoy how easily kids can operate the system independently, while still providing enough performance and features to entertain adults. Battery life is another practical benefit. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 6 hours of continuous use, allowing users to enjoy extended karaoke sessions without worrying about finding a power outlet. This makes it especially useful for outdoor events and parties where portability is important. Overall, the BENPAL Smart Karaoke Machine delivers a feature-rich karaoke experience with a large HD touchscreen, powerful sound system, extensive song library, and user-friendly design. Its combination of performance, convenience, and versatility makes it an excellent choice for families, music lovers, party hosts, and anyone looking to bring professional-style karaoke entertainment into their home. If you're searching for an all-in-one karaoke solution that offers both fun and functionality, the BENPAL Smart Karaoke Machine is certainly worth considering.